The No Frills Guide to Easy Camping. Camping is a great activity, but there are some risks associated with it. There are many natural hazards in the wild that can be dangerous and even deadly to campers if they encounter them. The following video will keep you safe by showing you what hazards to look out for while camping. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the bloodstream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. When you get to your campsite, take your family out on a walk. Particularly, if you have children, everyone will need a chance to stretch their legs after getting out of the car. The hike will be a good chance to get everyone excited about the trip and involved with nature. When you pack up your campsite to go home, leave a few logs and some kindling for the next camping group that comes along. If you have ever arrived at your site after dark, you know how tough it can be to find firewood. It's a very nice pay-it-forward gesture that will probably help out more than you can imagine. When you are planning a camping adventure, make sure you pack the appropriate clothing for your trip. Check the weather forecast and bring the clothing that will be needed on your trip. If it is going to be cold, make sure you have the appropriate coats, gloves, and shoes. Remember to also pack a rain poncho no matter what the weather forecast predicts. Keep the needs of your family in mind before selecting a destination. For example, if you have a baby or toddler, it may be best to stick close to home in case things don't go as planned. If you have teenagers, however, you may enjoy traveling to a different state. Choose what is best for you. Make sure that you avoid any venomous plants. A good way to do this is to stop at the ranger station and ask what kinds of poisonous plants are in the area so you can identify them if you come into contact with them on the trail. Never eat anything while hiking on the trail if you do not know it is edible. If you are camping and the weather is starting to rise significantly, tell the coolers that you have with you and put them somewhere in the shade. It will also help to keep them covered with some type of tarp. This will keep the temperature inside the cooler from rising too much. Although there are hazards associated with camping, don't let them deter you from venturing into the wild. Being aware of the dangers of camping is the first step towards avoiding them. If you avoid these dangers, then you can create an enjoyable camping experience that will be remembered for years. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.